Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a quick tutorial on how I got this royal peach eyeshadow look with all this highlight, just popping. I just love this look. So if you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you do not miss any videos, any notifications. Hit the bell as well, and join the family, like, comment, share, all that good stuff. If you are interested in seeing how I got this look, make sure you stay tuned, watch the entire video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And yeah. So the first thing I'm going to do is go on my Benefits Professional Primer and put this on my problem areas to get rid of all of them pores. So basically my T-zone, I'm going to rub this in real good. I like to lay it on thick, y'all. Now I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation and my Wet n Wild foundation in two different colors because y'all know I struggle with just one foundation working for me. So I put a little bit of a dark foundation just to give me more color so I'm not looking like a ghost. And I'm going to go in with a e.l.f. foundation brush and I'm going to blend this all in, get it all over my face and spread out evenly, so I can see if I need to add any more or, just keep blending or whatever it may be. So after I use the brush, I like to go in with a beauty blender or a sponge or whatever I have on hand just to smooth it out even more, because sometimes on brushes, no matter how good they are, you will still have brush marks and streaks and all that, and I just cannot deal with that. So this is what I use to get a flawless foundation look. Make it look like skin. Now I'm going to go on my LA Girl Pro Concealer and basically highlight the usual spots. My under eyes, the sides of my nose, my chin, cupid's bow, the bridge of my nose and forehead. I'm going to go back in with my beauty blender and blend all of that out. This also helps when I use the foundation that's too dark. I like to go in with a very light highlight so that I can tone it down. So that it looks like, I just have, this is like the perfect contour, I should say. Doesn't struggle with, foundation that's too dark. A highlight will help you out when it comes to trying to fix it. Instead of having to start all over or not fixing it at all. This is what you need to do. Now I'm going to go in with my Airspun setting powder. Y'all, this is like my favorite setting powder now. I don't even use my Laura Mercier. I know that's reaching, but this stuff is amazing for the price. It's only like $6-7 at Walgreens. You can't beat that. And it smells so good. Some people say they don't like it, but I love it. I don't know. Now I'm going to go into my Huda Beauty palette and use the color Sandalwood for my transition shade. I'm going to buff that around my crease, basically just on my upper eyelid, not the bottom, when I'm actually going to add the color. Now I'm going to go into henna and my Huda Beauty palette and pack that into my crease really deeply. I probably could use a more dense brush, but I just didn't even reach for it. I don't know. I'm going to use this just to just to darken up my crease. Now I'm going to go into my Ebony K4 Flushing palette and actually a rose gold peachy color in there. It's kind of like a metallic shade, and I'm going to use it for my lids with a flat eyeshadow brush. Now I'm going to go back into henna and shy. I'm going to use this to blend the colors all together pretty much. And just so that it's not any bold lines, because y'all know I hate that. So I'm just going to use this just to pretty much blur everything out. Now I'm going to go into Moon Dust in that same palette and highlight my brow bone to give it a pop. And I'm also going to highlight my the inner corners of my eyes with that same shade. Now I'm going to go into a Sephora palette. I forgot the name of the palette. And I'm going to use an indigo shade. I did mix it with a dark blue that's in there, even though I didn't show you guys. But I wanted to use this just to get like a royal purpley blue indigo look under my eyeshadow, or under my eye lash line. Now I'm going to go in with my Ofra blush and use the dark shade as a contour, as well as blend away all that excess setting powder that I had. And as you guys can see, the shading in my room has changed because I do use natural lighting, so I'm sorry. Now I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay Makeup Revolution highlight, my favorite highlight, and highlight the usual. And then use my Buxom Matte Lip Gloss as the base, because I am going to go in with the Makeup Revolution. It's like really, really, really light nude lipstick and put it on top, just to give my lips a more ombre look. And this is the final look. Like I said before, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe to this video.